Unveiling the skies, understanding reconnaissance drones. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that combines technology and vocabulary. Reconnaissance drones. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone curious about modern terminology, this video is designed to help you understand what reconnaissance drones are and how they're used in various contexts. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. First things first, let's dissect the phrase, reconnaissance drone, into two parts to grasp its full meaning. Reconnaissance. Reconnaissance is a term borrowed from military vocabulary, referring to the act of gathering information. This information can be about enemy forces, geographical features, or any details crucial for planning purposes. The key here is that reconnaissance is all about obtaining knowledge and insight without engaging directly. Drone. A drone, in this context, refers to an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. These are aircraft without a human pilot on board. They are often controlled remotely or can fly autonomously through software-controlled flight plans in their embedded systems working in conjunction with onboard sensors and GPS. Now that we understand the components of the phrase, let's explore how these devices play a pivotal role in modern operations. Military and surveillance applications. In military contexts, reconnaissance drones are indispensable for surveillance, intelligence gathering, and reconnaissance missions. They offer a significant advantage by providing real-time data from behind enemy lines, all without risking human lives. These drones are equipped with cameras, sensors, and sometimes even radar, to collect detailed images and information from areas that are otherwise inaccessible or too dangerous for humans. Civilian uses. Beyond the battlefield, reconnaissance drones have found applications in civilian sectors as well. They're used in disaster management, for instance, to survey damage, in environmental monitoring to track changes in ecosystems, and in agriculture to assess crop health. The versatility of drones makes them a valuable tool in any scenario where gathering information from the sky can offer a new perspective. Reconnaissance drones represent a fascinating intersection of technology, language, and societal impact. From their military origins to their expanding role in civilian life, these drones illustrate how advancements in technology continue to reshape our world and our vocabulary. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what reconnaissance drones are and how they're used across different domains. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you in the future. Happy learning!